Hello guys, today I'm gonna be doing the Shotgun Rainbow Challenge. Shotgun Rainbow Challenge. If you don't know what the Shotgun Rainbow Challenge is, it's supposedly you're supposed to grab all the shotgun guns. They don't have to be they have to be the same. They don't have to be the same guns, but they have to be different colors. Like first color is weak, and then green, and then blue, and then purple, and then if you have a lucky chance, yellow. If you don't know why, if you don't know why I'm saying yellow, and if you might be thinking, why am I saying yellow? It's because killed some dude with a pistol, like this. It's like that character, but the boy. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's like, well, not like that, but it was like that character. Where's my I don't have that much stamps because I don't buy much stamps. Not usually. Where should I land, you guys? Tell me where to land. You guys decide. I think I know where I'm landing. I'm going to this wood place I hate. But I am going there. Sorry. Do you know what? To be fact, yeah, I'm gonna go here. Please don't land it. Please don't land. Or die. Please don't land. Oh. Oh, come on, give me a chest. Be nice, come on. Who shot at me? Nobody shoots at me. It's disrespectful. Well, we already know I got a shotgun. This sucks. With the 70 damage. But I'm good with that. I can use a medikit. No. Oh, free! It's a noob. Killed him. Oh, free! Try to shoot him. Oh, that's why. You're a little scared there. My heart got a tingling. That shotgun's not the best shotgun, to be honest. If you have that other shotgun, do not trade it for this one, because this one sucks a lot. I'll show you right now. Oh, who's playing? I have to do something. Even though nobody called me. I'm gonna call my sister, see if she wants to play. So, I'll be back right now. She didn't answer the phone. Okay, great. What? Is there anything? No, okay. Nice. Do not make a noise. Nice. Gotcha, the mouse is broken.
What?
The mouse is broken.
Ow.
Look. Oh, I know. See? It wasn't building. To be honest, I'm just gonna play regular now. I just wanna play. I just wanna have fun.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
No, my thing is recording.
Oh, I'm not deleting that. I'm never deleting this. Oh, fridge. Dacha, do you realize I'm recording?
You still that you paused it.
No, I never paused it. Why do you think I paused it? I never paused it. Dacha, come here. Who? Never mind.
Happy for you that you could have found.
They can see you. What?
I thought you said.
the? Did you guys just see that, or was it just me?
What?
My pickaxe wasn't balloon for a second.
Was it what?
It was not a balloon. I had mine a balloon. But now it just turned into a balloon, I guess.
And don't ask what I'm making. And don't look at me.
I already know what to make.
What?
A hot dog.
No, but you didn't know what kind of sauce.
Uh-huh.
What?
I know what it is, but I forgot the name. Oh, I know. It's like that mayonnaise thingy.
Nope. I put mayonnaise on the hot dogs. But not on the sauce.
I forgot what it was called. I've been said it in years. What was it doing?
1,000?
Yes, 1,000. Exactly. That's what I was waiting for.
It's not the 1,000 numbers. It's 1,000 sauce. You know what it is.
It's just a sauce.
It's the type of sauce you put in burgers.
Yeah.
And hot dogs. And I especially like it in burgers.
Oh, great.
And I also like it in hot dogs.
Oh. There's no way he has a better pistol. I mean, not pistol. He had a shotgun. Yup, he had a good shotgun. Where's my
Bye. See you later.
alligator?
Alligator.
I hate you. Don't look at Roblox. Don't ask why I'm going. Okay. I'm going because to be honest, I just want to win a game. That's all I'm going for. scary. Hey, who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Where is it? Where is it? Heck. Man, fuck, I might be leaving. I'm prettier. Money keep moving, but but I wonder. Go to me. Take some sun. That's my turn. I'm just getting. I'm just going off. Matter of fact, I might be leaving. No more. Always doors. Ah! Dang it! Oh, free! Oh, free! Oh, free! Oh, free! You little rascal! You little rascal! You little rascal! You little rascal! You little... What is with these people having them good loot? I got scared. I couldn't do nothing. I had no pistols, no shotguns, no nothing. To be honest, that place was... It really sucked. Matter of fact, I might be late. I repeat it, yeah. I keep on going back like I got my reason. I was so fast with me. Yeah. Where's my pickup? Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to see me in the movie theater, I'm playing around. I was gonna say if you want to see me in the movie theaters, I have because I'm playing. I wish. To be honest, I wish I was in movie theaters and you guys can see me play. I suck. I don't think you guys want to watch me play. I'm horrible playing. Not too good. I'm gonna be the first one there to land. I hope I am. So I get all the loot. And then why is it glitching on me? So I get all the good loot. And to be honest with somebody. I don't even get a weapon. Ah! Oh! Oh, free! Oh, free! Oh, free! Ah! I didn't even get to get that
It smells like feet in here.
Huh?
Are you playing with Caesar?
Huh?
You playing with Caesar? Or playing with...
I'm taking photos.
Oh, you're making a video?
Yeah. Show them your eyes.
Where's the camera? Diamonds on my fingers. Got the buzz. I got the plain Jane. Old accent. Got another ring on this finger. Show them all together so they don't think I'm messing around. Then got diamonds. 20 karat diamonds. I mean 20 karat gold.
And this
24 karat gold.
this chain can go to 100 feet deep. If you're
Waterproof.
lying, if you think we're lying, we're not.
Yeah.